solve for x if we have this exponential equation, 64 to the 1 minus x is equal to 1 over 16 to the 2x. Now the first thing I want to do is rewrite this 1 over 16 to the 2x as 16 to the negative 2x, right? Because the negative exponent just gives you the reciprocal, so this is basically the same thing. So now the goal is to find a like base for these two numbers. And I want you to know that 64 can be written as 4 cubed, and 16 can likewise be written as 4 squared. So these two guys can have a base of 4. So what I want to do is replace the numbers with these base 4 expressions in the equation. So now we got this here, and 64 is 4 cubed, so this becomes 4 cubed to the 1 minus x is equal to 16, which is 4 squared to the negative 2x. And now to simplify, we use that property of exponents that says if you take a power to another power, what you do is you multiply the exponents. So let's multiply these guys out. So here we're going to get 4 to the 3 times 1 minus x on the left, and on the right we're going to get 4 to the 2 times negative 2x, which is just negative 4x. So now, since these two values are equal and the bases are equal, that means that these exponents must be equal as well. So what we can do is we can just equate the exponents. So we have 3 times 1 minus x is equal to negative 4x. And now we can just solve for x. So distributing that 3 into that difference, we got 3 minus 3x is equal to negative 4x. So now solving for x, I want to add a 3x to each side. So on the left side, the 3x's cancel out, and on the right side, we got, I'm going to just do this here, negative 4x plus 3x. So that's negative x. But we want to solve for x, not negative x, right? So let's multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. Oops. Times negative 1. So then this ends up becoming x is equal to negative 3. So that is the value of x, which will satisfy our exponential equation.